Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to show your listening to Spotify on Discord on your Android device. Trust me, it's very easy, there's nothing complicated. Just make sure you watch this video all the way to the end to learn how to do it. So first, when you're on your Discord, as you can see, I don't have this status while I'm listening. Just go on your profile here by clicking your profile picture and then click on connections here. So usually if you don't have any connections, just click on add here and add Spotify, but for that you need to download Spotify, right? By clicking Spotify, you can easily link in. Usually it will appear the official site of Spotify, and then you need to add your account, to sign in your account, and to agree with the permissions and the legacies, I don't know what, and the privacy size mean, and then you'll be able to add it here into connections. So then check on this two things: display on profile and display Spotify as your status. Click on that, save it. And now as you can see, we still don't have this status when we go on our server. So what to do? Just go on your Spotify, and then before you play some song, just go in home, open the settings here and scroll all the way down till you find where was it? Actually, not all the way down, just scroll a little bit down. Here is this this option here. As you can see, device broadcast status. Allow other apps on your device to see what you're listening to. Make sure this is enabled. So then play some song, and as you can see, when we go on our Discord, it appears the status listening to Spotify. And let's stop it because we get a copyright about that. So yeah, as you can see, it appears every time when you stop the song. And yeah, if you're finding this video helpful, you can give it a like, and also don't hesitate or ashamed to leave your problems, to leave your questions down below the video, and I'll try to respond in a few days if I can. See you next video. Bye.